Have you ever wondered how seniors prepare for the afterlife? It's not just about religion or writing a will. Many take unexpected and heartwarming steps to ensure they leave behind more than just memories. From crafting digital legacies to planning eco-friendly burials, these unique preparations might surprise you. Stick around as we uncover 10 fascinating ways seniors get ready for their final journey. And you won't believe number 7. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an inspiring update. 1. Crafting a digital legacy. In today's digital world, many seniors recognize that their online presence will outlive them, and they want to control how they're remembered. To ensure their digital life tells the right story, seniors are taking thoughtful steps to organize social media accounts, preserve cherished photos, and even draft farewell messages to be shared after their passing. Platforms like Facebook allow users to designate legacy contacts, trusted family members or friends who can manage their profiles, turning their accounts into memorial pages or keeping their memories alive. Some seniors go a step further, creating digital time capsules filled with videos, voice messages, and personal notes to loved ones to be delivered after they're gone. Others compile online journals, documenting life lessons, values, and treasured memories for future generations to explore. For many, crafting a digital legacy isn't just about leaving something behind. It's a way to ensure their voice continues to inspire, comfort, and connect with loved ones long after they've said goodbye. 2. Writing ethical wills. While financial wills dictate who inherits assets, ethical wills serve a different, more heartfelt purpose. These deeply personal documents allow seniors to share life lessons, values, and messages of love with future generations. Unlike legal wills, ethical wills aren't about money or property. They are about wisdom, guidance, and emotional legacy. Many seniors write letters or record videos to pass down family traditions, personal beliefs, and reflections on life's greatest joys and challenges. Some use ethical wills to express gratitude, share stories of resilience, or offer advice on love, faith, and personal growth. Others write to heal old wounds, offering forgiveness or asking for it, ensuring they leave no words unspoken. In some cases, seniors compile these messages into books or video archives, creating a lasting resource for their children, grandchildren, and beyond. An ethical will is a powerful way to ensure one's voice, values, and love continue to inspire generations to come. It's not just a goodbye. It's a final gift of wisdom and heart. 3. Choosing eco-friendly burials. Traditional burials often come with high costs and a significant environmental impact. Chemicals from embalming, non-biodegradable caskets, and land use all contribute to pollution and waste. To counter this, more seniors are choosing eco-friendly burial options that align with their values and reduce their carbon footprint. Green burials, for example, eliminate the use of embalming fluids and non-biodegradable materials. Instead, biodegradable caskets made from bamboo, wicker, or untreated will allow the body to return naturally to the earth. Some even opt for burial shrouds, simple cloth coverings that promote natural decomposition. Another rising trend is aquamation or water cremation, which uses an alkaline solution instead of fire to break down the body, reducing carbon emissions by up to 90% compared to traditional cremation. Additionally, some seniors choose tree pod burials, where their remains nourish a tree, symbolizing a return to nature. By embracing eco-friendly burials, seniors leave behind not just memories but a legacy of sustainability, ensuring their final act is one of love for the planet. 4. Practicing life review therapy. As seniors approach the later stages of life, many seek closure, understanding, and peace by reflecting on their past. Life review therapy is a powerful process that helps them revisit key moments, celebrate achievements, and make amends for past regrets. Through conversations, storytelling, and guided therapy sessions, seniors are encouraged to share their life experiences, both joyful and painful, in a way that brings healing and clarity. For some, this process involves writing memoirs or recording personal stories to pass down to future generations. Others engage in guided reflections with therapists, spiritual advisors, or family members, discussing pivotal moments that shaped their lives. By revisiting their past, seniors often find forgiveness for themselves and others, strengthening relationships and achieving a sense of fulfillment. Life review therapy is more than just reminiscing. It's an opportunity to embrace a lifetime of experiences with gratitude and understanding, allowing seniors to move forward with a peaceful heart and a legacy of wisdom. 5. Exploring near-death experiences, NDEs, and spiritual practices. As seniors approach the later stages of life, many seek comfort and reassurance by exploring different spiritual perspectives and near-death experiences, NDEs. Stories of individuals who have had NDEs, describing tunnels of light, feelings of peace, or encounters with loved ones, offer a sense of hope and curiosity about what lies beyond. Some seniors read books, attend seminars, or watch documentaries about these experiences, finding solace in the idea that death is not the end but a transition. Beyond studying NDEs, many seniors turn to spiritual practices such as prayer, meditation, and mindfulness. These practices help them cultivate inner peace, reduce anxiety about the unknown, and deepen their connection to their faith or personal beliefs. Others engage in guided visualization or participate in religious or philosophical discussions to explore different views on the afterlife. By embracing spirituality and the mysteries of existence, seniors often find a sense of purpose and tranquility, allowing them to approach the next chapter with acceptance, curiosity, and peace. 6. Creating a death playlist. Music has the power to evoke deep emotions, bring back memories, and provide comfort in difficult times. That's why many seniors take the unique step of curating a death playlist, a personal collection of songs to be played during their final moments at their funeral or even as a lasting musical legacy for loved ones. For some, this playlist includes songs that have shaped their lives, melodies from their youth, wedding songs, or tracks that remind them of cherished moments. Others choose uplifting or spiritual songs that bring a sense of peace and hope to those they leave behind. Some seniors even record messages explaining why they chose certain songs, making their playlist a deeply personal farewell gift. In hospice care, music therapy is often used to ease anxiety and provide emotional support. Seniors who embrace this idea find that their carefully selected songs help loved ones remember them in a meaningful and comforting way. Whether it's a classic ballad, a religious hymn, or an upbeat anthem, a death playlist allows seniors to say goodbye through the universal language of music. 7. Writing their own obituary. Most obituaries are written by family members after a loved one has passed, but many seniors are now choosing to write their own. This allows them to take control of their story, ensuring their most meaningful moments, values, and legacy are captured in their own words. Instead of a generic summary of their life, they craft an obituary that reflects their personality, humor, and the lessons they want to leave behind. Some seniors use this as an opportunity to celebrate their achievements, share heartfelt messages with loved ones, or even add a touch of humor, leaving behind a final laugh. Others take a reflective approach, acknowledging challenges they've overcome or expressing gratitude for the life they lived. Some even write multiple versions, updating them over time to reflect new experiences. By writing their own obituary, seniors ensure that their story is told the way they want to be remembered. It becomes more than just an announcement. It's a final message of love, wisdom, and personal legacy that lives on beyond their passing. 8. Hosting a living funeral. For many, funerals are a time of remembrance, love, and shared memories. But what if you could be there to experience it yourself? That's the idea behind a living funeral, a growing trend among seniors who want to celebrate their lives while they're still here. Instead of waiting until after they've passed, they gather friends and family to share laughter, gratitude, and heartfelt goodbyes in a joyful setting. Some living funerals are intimate affairs, with close family members reminiscing over cherished moments. Others are grand celebrations filled with music, speeches, and even toasts, allowing the honored person to hear the impact they've had on others firsthand. Some seniors use this opportunity to express their own gratitude, offer words of wisdom, or mend broken relationships. By hosting a living funeral, seniors ensure that their final moments with loved ones are filled with joy rather than sorrow. It transforms a traditionally somber event into a beautiful farewell, a celebration of a life well lived. 9. Settling unfinished business. As seniors reflect on their lives, many recognize the importance of emotional closure. To leave in peace, they often focus on mending broken relationships, forgiving past hurts, and offering apologies to those they may have wronged. This process of settling unfinished business is not only a way for seniors to find inner peace, but also a final gift to their loved ones. For some, this means reaching out to estranged family members or friends, offering an apology for past mistakes, or expressing long-held feelings of love and gratitude. Others may choose to forgive those who hurt them, letting go of resentment and bitterness that could otherwise hinder their peace. By doing so, seniors create a space for healing, allowing their loved ones to experience the same emotional release and freedom. These conversations can be incredibly emotional, but they are often deeply rewarding. Mending these ties allows seniors to face the end of their life with a clear heart and a sense of closure, knowing they've addressed important matters that might otherwise have lingered. It's a way of leaving behind not just material possessions, but a legacy of love, forgiveness, and emotional healing for those they leave behind. 10. Preparing a death cleaning ritual. In Sweden, the practice of dödstädning or death cleaning has become a popular way for seniors to prepare for the inevitable while lightening the emotional and physical burden on their loved ones. Rather than waiting until the end of life, seniors engage in the process of decluttering their homes and organizing their belongings in a thoughtful way, ensuring that everything left behind has a purpose and significance. This ritual involves sorting through years of accumulated possessions, letting go of items that no longer hold value, and organizing important documents, photographs, and keepsakes. Some seniors focus on passing down meaningful heirlooms, such as jewelry, books, or family recipes, while others simplify their living spaces, making it easier for family members to manage their estates. Death cleaning isn't just about physical belongings. It's also about emotional clarity. Seniors often reflect on what truly matters, choosing to leave behind fewer, more meaningful possessions that tell the story of their life. This process brings a sense of calm and control, allowing them to face the end of their journey, knowing they've minimized the burden on those they leave behind. It's a final act of love, care, and consideration, ensuring that their legacy lives on without the chaos of unwanted clutter. These preparations may seem unusual, but they offer seniors a sense of control, peace, and legacy. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found these insights helpful, hit that subscribe button for more inspiring content every week. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might find it valuable. Thanks for watching.